Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix this Apple ID is not active. So guys, if you are facing this problem while trying to log in or sign up your Apple ID, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do, we have to simply close this page. Now after that guys, simply tap on setting and make sure that you are properly connected on internet and there is no connected VPN on your device. If there are any connected VPN, then disconnect, and after that simply tap on journal, tap your software update, and make sure that there is no available update. If there are any update, then update it first, and after that simply go back and tap on shutdown and restart your device 20 to 30 seconds, and after that simply open and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working guys, then the other solution is simply open any browser, tap here support.apple.com, and after that guys simply select your device. Now guys, from here simply scroll it below, and here you can guys see get support, tap on here start now. And after that guys simply tap on more, and here you can see App Store, tap on this, tap on continue, and from here guys simply describe your problem here, and after that guys simply you can call here, and after that simply describe your problem briefly, and after that guys hopefully the Apple team will fix your problem in 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.